Next Auth versus Auth.Js. Which authentication library is better? I'm going to tell you the difference between Next Auth and Auth.js and which one might be better for your next project. So first off, Next Auth was the original name of the project. As it expanded beyond just Next.js, it rebranded to Auth.js. They're technically the same library, just a new name, broader scope. Auth.js now supports not just Next.js but also SvelteKit, Express, Solid Start, and more. It's more flexible and modern. If you see tutorials about NextAuth, just know it's the same tool under a different name. But if you're strictly using Next.js, both names work, and the setup is nearly identical. You'll still enjoy features like OAuth, JWT, credentials login, and session management out of the box. So keep it simple. Auth.js is just the upgraded version of NextAuth.